Welcome to Wild Heart Outdoors. I'm Chris, and today we're going to talk about Grayton Beach State Park. The beach here is consistently ranked among the top beaches in the U.S. As you can see, the campground loops are in a figure 8, one way in, one way out, so depending upon the size of your rig, you might have a couple tight turns to navigate. There are some pretty amazing campsites here, and some of them have a direct path to the lake. The bathhouses here are perfectly situated in the middle of each loop. And here's a tour of our campsite, all set up. And our cool little path to the lake. Now sit back and enjoy the views. Thanks for watching Wild Heart Outdoors. See you next time.